guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariana Ife. I'm an entrepreneur, stylist, content creator, all of the above. I have my own jewelry brand called Pretty Thug New York, which I am rocking a few little pieces today, but I know that's not why you're here. You're here for this Tom Ford lipstick kit review. Yes, I'm gonna be doing a review of all 5 of these mini lipsticks, so let's get right into it. This beautiful little kit comes with 5 different colors. I assume they're his best sellers. So beautiful. And I don't know, I'm so hyped about this because I don't buy myself luxury beauty products really, especially anything pertaining to the lips. Like, I really don't wear lipstick, but I say, you know what? I'm changing that this year. I'm on my GNS, I'm on my grown and sexy. So here we go. It comes with 5 different colors. The colors include Scarlet Rouge, EQUUS, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, it's spelled EQUUS, Night Mauve, Impassioned, and Wild Ginger. This first color I'm wearing is called Scarlet Rouge. It's a very red. I love it. I needed a true red, and I definitely think that this fits. I think it would be great for a wide variety of skin tones. I also love how small these are because they fit into all of your mini purses. Okay, I'm back with the second swatch, and I don't want to say it too early, but this might be my favorite. This one is called the EQUUS, EQUUS, once again. It's like a nude brown with a pink undertone. I really like this color. I feel like it's a great color for every day. There used to be a color that I wore similar called Whirl, I think by MAC. If you know, you know. But this one is even better, and I'm wearing this on just my natural lips, no lip liner, anything like that. I really like this. Great everyday neutral, but you just want a little sprinkle or something. The next color we have is Night Mauve, and it's very cute. Like, I normally don't go for shades called mauve. I'm not really like into mauve, but I'm not mad at this. Like, it's very playful, girly, and it reads more pink on my skin tone than mauve. Even in the tube, it does look a bit darker than it reads on my skin tone, so that's something to note. But I'm really feeling this. Like, it's making me feel flirty, girly, and cute. The next swatch is called Impassioned, and it's really nice. Like, I mean, it's showing up a little bit different on camera, but it's a deeper kind of like mahogany red shade. I really like it for fall. It's really great. It's a little bit mature. Not like I'm super young, but it's a little mature for my age. I definitely think, I mean, it just depends on the vibe I'm going for. I'm wearing all brown, like this would definitely be a good look, but otherwise it might read a little bit older, but I like the shade nonetheless. I'm definitely gonna try it at some point during winter. I'm back with the last shade, and it is called Wild Ginger, and yes, it's giving summer, it's giving tropical, it's giving a beach me right now. I want to be somewhere tropical wearing this. I love this shade. It's a very beautiful red orange shade. It's one of the ones that kind of looks exactly how it looks in the tube, so I really appreciate that. This might be my favorite. The best for last. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you run out and pick one of these beautiful shades in a full size, or get the kit like I did and try them all out. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. I'm so curious to know which one caught your eye. Thanks for watching.